Hey feds, I was just asked this question in one of our workshops. It was, where can I find the SCD? Now, the SCD, Service Comp Date, one place it can be found is on your pay stub. If you look on your pay stub, you'll see the SCD. However, SCD, a lot of people use that to figure out when they can retire, when they're eligible to retire. However, that's a different SCD. There are several SCDs, if that wasn't complicated enough. When you look on your pay stub, that is your leave SCD, Service Comp Date. To figure out leave, for leave purposes, not for retirement purposes. And you would think they would be the same, right? But they're not, or they might not be. Some of yours may be the same. Some of yours may not be the same. And it's really important to make sure that you're looking at the right information. Too many people look at the wrong thing, thinking that it's giving them the right answers, and they go, no, oh, yep, that's it, let's go for it. And they make poor decisions based on that wrong information. Let's just make sure you're looking at the right thing to accomplish the goals that you want to accomplish right now. Come to our workshops, learn how to accomplish those goals.